How to delete Walmart account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to delete Walmart account. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for www.walmart.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Walmart. Now go ahead and make sure you are signed in and tap on your profile option on the top right corner and further tap on the account option. Now on the left side panel, scroll down and tap on the help option. Scroll down again and tap on the chat with us button. You will now be assisted with a chatbot to further help you solve your query. So go ahead and in the text box you see there, type in I want to delete my account and further tap on the close account option. You will then receive a message, so go ahead and call at the number provided on the screen, or you can also dial 711 for relay service support and get help in deleting your account. So this is how you can delete your Walmart account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.